guys, welcome back to another video. And in this one we started a car meet. It's been a while since I've been at a car meet. This is Capestance First Wednesdays. It's been a minute since we've had an event like this. I'll just do a quick walk around. We're not really supposed to take pictures for some strange reason. I'll just get some sneaky shots. It's a decent turnout. Thought there'd be some more cars, but for like a last minute meet, it's not too bad, I guess. Not the biggest fan of the interior and exterior color, but it looks cool. So this guy just turned his car down, and in an hour he's gonna have to turn it back up. So I've just been told that I can't record, so this is the last clip. But yeah, decent event. Wouldn't say event, just decent meet, I guess. So they're asking us to leave. So we're not allowed to stand in the parking, but we can leave our cars here and go stand somewhere else. So that's the situation, but I think we're all just gonna roll out. The guys are still coming through, but it's so funny, the guy with the Golf over there is still turning down. They're telling him to leave. Oh my word. So we still have to pay for parking, but yeah, we are rolling out. Wide body boys. So we are still here waiting for Winston, and we've been out here for like what, 20 minutes. So this traffic is backed up because people don't want to pay for parking, because it's free parking for 3 hours, and for some reason their time is elapsing between putting the ticket in and getting out of the gates. So they have to go back and pay for parking, and they're fighting it. I see, it makes my car sound quiet. I'm on my way to the workshop now, so I'm gonna try and fix this fuel leak. I'm really hoping that I can just remove the pump, clean the O-ring, and then pop it back in and sort it out. So the other option is, if it continues to leak, I'll have to replace the pump. So the car currently has a Pirate pump in it, and when I went to Baden's to buy a new O-ring for it, the O-ring was different. I need to buy a genuine Bosch pump so I can use the proper O-rings. So yeah, pumps are way too expensive. So if I can fix the leak without replacing the pump, that'll be amazing. So yeah, going through to the workshop. It's my first time going for the year. Lots of firsts for the year coming soon. Okay, so I am under the car. I'm going to remove the pump. It's not looking too bad, it's not leaking all that much, but I mean, I cleaned it the last time I drove it. So pull it out, see what's happening in there, and hopefully that is the issue. But to be honest, it's quite dry here, which is weird. I need to run the car and check where it's leaking, because I might be wasting my time. That's very loose. So it's leaking from the housing. Oh, that's fun. So Matthew's car's at the workshop getting some work done, prepping the car to race this year. So it's got a 16 valve in it now, used to be 8 valve Stancy Boy. I'll insert some pictures of what it used to look like back in its heyday. But yeah, I'm quite excited to see this car racing. It's been a long time coming. So hopefully Jamil can work his magic and make some decent power with it. So I thought I'd take you guys for a spin in the K-Jazz. The last time I went out with Andrew, the car wasn't making all the powers. So I didn't think it was worth posting that, so this should be much better.
P.S. It's still slow.
But this is cool. If only Andrew would clean his car, but I would love a screen this size in the Mark II. It would look nicer though, that's the only problem. But it would be great for actually seeing what's up. Popos.
He's waiting for me. He's like, oh, I see you coming. Yeah. Come on, Adu, change. Okay, fine. Let's go.
You really should have waited. Sounds amazing. It feels good, much better.
Ah, definitely. Yeah. I just wish the road was a bit more clear.
Yeah. Got a DE behind us. He's also making the loop, I think.
Yeah.
What a buzzkill.
Ah, really, really good.
Right there.
Easy peasy.
He is right there.
Easy peasy. See, I told him it's not the strong game, it's just the baby game.
No, that's really impressive. Those last few RPMs is just like,
starts to scream.
yeah. So I thought I'd show you guys what the engine bay looks like. So Andrew's having some cooling issues. He's got a lovely VW water bottle in there, and this intake situation is not doing him any favors. So it needs some love in that area. So he's going to do like a short runner intake, swap out this intake and just get some more power on top with it. But as it is, I think it's decent to have fun with. It's got the Hasport mounts in there. Yeah, I think it's great. It sounds amazing. But yeah, this is like V1. Man has big plans. 2022 should be a good one. I'm looking forward to seeing how far this car comes. So it looks like we're quite evenly matched when the Mark II is lagging. Oh, that's hilarious. So yeah, my fuel leak issue is hopefully better. Like, thankfully it's not the pump, so hopefully it's just we can find an let me just close the window. So hopefully we can just find a housing and sort it. So Jamil's gonna check on Monday for me, and then hopefully midweek we can get that sorted out. But I am thankful for that. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, because racing season's starting soon. Hopefully Kilani opens up with the robot racing soon. Get the car out there and just smashing it. Guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, helps it reach more people. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.